Hi, my name's Ian of Military and Budget Watch Collectors, and this is my review for the ESS Antique Mechanical Man's Watch. As you can see, came to me a lovely box with their logo on the front. Open up the box, inside you'll see nicely packaged with foam packaging around the outside to give it good protection. The watch itself, nice brown deployment clasp strap to it. I'm taking it out of the box and you'll see a nice skeleton movement with a cream face and Roman numerals. It is a mechanical watch with a one position crown. Pull the crown out to adjust the time. If you wind the watch for approximately 30 winds, this will give a little bit of resistance, which will show that you've got the watch wound fully. Then you need to wind it probably 10 to 15 times just before you go to bed, and give it another 10 to 15 winds in the morning when you get up. Turning the watch over, you'll see that it has a clear back with views of the movement and also you'll see at the top here the part of the deployment clasp for doing the strap up. Not something I've ever had before, the deployment clasp, however it does seem to work very nicely, sits nicely on my wrist and does keep it in position, doesn't appear to come undone or loose at any time throughout the day. I have worn it at work, I have quite a physical job at times, and it stayed in position very, very well. The casing to the watch is a nice rose gold colour, as you can see. Nice sweeping second hand movement, and also luminous paint on the hour and minute hand and on the tail of the second hand. This watch and other watches are available through buying links, which you will find on our webpage, the link of which you will see going across the screen either earlier in this video or at about this time. So, a watch that I'm really happy with. ESS appear to make very good quality watches, and I shall certainly be looking at their range and hoping to purchase a few more in the future. We'd like to see lots more reviews of various watches. If you have any reviews of watches that you have, military or budget, then please send them through to our Facebook page, the link of which is going across the screen, and we'll be more than happy to upload them. The watch cost me £14.99, that includes delivery, and it actually came from Manchester area, so very quick delivery, I think 2 days. Well, that's all for now. I shall be looking at reviewing other watches from Cronin & Son, Infantry, and also ESS again, as I'll certainly be purchasing more. Very happy with their product. Thanks very much, and hope to see some more reviews up soon.